Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a key fob battery. Start by gathering your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having the right tools makes this simple task even easier. A clean, well-lit area will help you see clearly as you work. This ensures a smooth and quick battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test your key fob with your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.